Creative U-shape. UGREEN USB-C to USB-A cable with an innovative 180 degrees U-shape design is much more convenient and more comfortable for playing games, watching videos, reading ebooks when you lie on the couch or bed while charging. Important note: this U-shaped cable cannot work with phone or case thickness more than 0.078 inches. Safe and quick charge. Supports quick charge 4.0.3.0 with max output up to 3A, providing 5 volts 3A, 9 volts 2A or 12 volts 1.5A fast charging. Built-in 56 kilo ohms resistor. This USB-C cable guarantees reliable conductivity and charging, protecting your cell phones from damage due to excessive current. Durable, flexible. Nylon braided cable ensures the reliability and durability for longer lifespan. Double-sided USB-C connectors with overmolded strain relief are designed for frequent plugging and unplugging, providing a reliable performance and 10,000 plus bend and 10,000 plus insertion lifespan. Broad compatibility. Compatible with Samsung S10, S10e, S10 Plus, Galaxy S9, S8 Plus, Note 9, Note 8a, 8 2018, Galaxy Tab S3, 9, 7, Galaxy Fold, LG G5, G6, G7 Think, LG V20, V30, V40, V50, Moto G6, Moto Z Force, Moto Z2 Play, Moto Z4, Z3, ZTE Axon 7, HTC 10U 12+, Huawei P9, iPad Pro 11, 12, 9 2018. More. Fast data transfer. Supports syncing speed up to 480 megabits per second, USB 2.0. It can transfer 1 gigabyte files in 30 seconds. Top reviews from the United States. UGREEN never fails. I have purchased a lot of UGREEN cables and not one of them has failed. I bought this one for a portable monitor and it is very low profile unlike the other choices for 180 fittings which stick out 1/2 plus.